Namaste. Welcome to Ambara Sarees. For direct purchases, visit our shop at Ambattur and Viragambakam, and for online purchases, visit our website www.ambarasarees.com. Also, please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell button to get immediate notifications. Hope you all had a safe Diwali. So today we are going to have a look at on different type of chiffon varieties which we have got, and the range starts from 650. So I will show you the collections right now. The first sari which we have is a green color. It's a green color with a floral print, and the other side there are two. The one side of the border, it has got a jari border, attached border, and the other side is also the similar way. So I will show you how the sari looks like, and this sari has got a self printed same color blouse. So I will show you the sari. The sari looks very beautiful. So this is how the sari looks like. You can see the sari. See, this is a pretty color. It's a green color. This is a green color with a little bit of floral of pink, violet, everything mixed. So this is how the sari looks like with that attached border. And this is the sari. And as I said, the blouse for the sari is a self green color blouse. This is how the blouse looks like. So the cost of the sari is only 600 rupees. You can see it's a beautiful sari. The cost of the sari is only 600 rupees. So the next, in the same sari, we have two more colors, and the colors for that sari is a sandal color. It's a sandal color. It's a sandal color sari with the borders on either side, and it has got a beautiful floral print. And as I said, the blouse of the sari is also a self color. This is how the so the cost of the sari is only 600 rupees. And the other color which is available is a pink color. This is how the sari looks like. See, this is a beautiful pink color. It's a beautiful pink color with the attached border on either sides, and the blouse, I said, it is also a self blouse. There are only 3 colors available in this, so the cost of the sari is 600 rupees. The next sari which I am going to show is an half sari model type. This is again a lightweight. All the sarees which I am going to show is all lightweight only, so it will be very easy to wear. Now for this sari, for example, I will show you how the sari looks like. So this is a Georgette sari. See, you can see it's a dark blue color pallu, and it has got borders on either sides. So the sari looks like this. This is the pallu. See, this is how the pallu looks like. And this sari has got a beautiful printed blouse, which is a contrast blouse with an attached border. See, this is the contrast blouse, printed blouse with attached border on this side. So this is the blouse, and this is an half sari model type, which means the sari will be like this. The sari will be like this with the pallu, and in the pleats you have this type of design. This is how the sari looks like. It's a pretty combination, because it has got a dark color and it has got a light color combination, and blouse also, if you see, it is also very beautifully printed blouse. The blouse is like this, and you can see very well it will be in the middle of the pleats, and this is how the sari looks like. So there are totally 4 colors available in this, and the cost of the sari is also not so high. It is only 850 rupees. This is only 850 rupees. So this is how the sari looks like. I will show you the colors available in this. So the colors are, it's a pink color, It's a pink color combination with a border on either side, and the floral print which is in the center will be of this type. So this is how the saree looks like. This is 850 rupees I said. The other color is also available in a different shade of pink. This is a different shade of pink, and the center, the pleats color, actually it's a very beautiful, you can see, it's a beautiful pista green color combination with floral prints, and the border is also available in it. It's a very nice combination. So the saree will be looking like this in the center, and the body, the pallu will be like this in this color. This is very lightweight. You can see there are papers in it, so it is very lightweight. The next color which is available is a black color, which is a very beautiful combination. You can see the black color and a golden attached border on either sides, and the blouse you can see in the center. This is how the design comes. It's a contrast beige color with floral prints available on it, and it has got a beautiful attached border. So very pretty saree. It's a black color combination. It's only 850 rupees as I said. And the final color which is available in the same type is one more, a pink color. It's the same pink color. In this saree most of the colors are coming in pink, and this has got a self pink color center design, self design in it, and it has got an attached border. So all these colors are available. It is only 850 rupees. You can WhatsApp through 9176676331 and 9840042677 also. So these were the collections, and the next collection which I am going to show you is another type of Georgette variety. This is also a lightweight variety. I will show you the colors available in this. If you see, the saree has got a satin type of border over here, and it has got small mangoes over here. So this is how on either side it is, and I will show you the blouse how it looks like. It's a printed, self-printed. See, this is a self-printed blouse on this. The cost of the saree is 900 rupees. The colors available in this are, I will show you the colors, and before that I will show you how the saree looks like. See, this is how the saree looks like, and this is the pretty pallu. This is how the pallu looks like. This is how the pallu looks like, and this is how the saree looks like. This is how the saree looks like. It's a beautiful combination. This is a peach color combination with the pallu over here and the blouse, and it has also got borders on either side of the blouse. So the colors available in this are, as I said, this is only 900 rupees. The colors available in this are, it's a yellow color combination with red and maroon combination. This is one color which is available. The next color which is there in the same type is the sky blue color. It's a beautiful color, you can see. It's a beautiful sky blue color which is available. The next color is a light yellowish. It's a light yellow. It's a light lemonish yellow type. This is available. This is also the same cost. And the next color which is available in this is sandal color. See, this is how the saree looks like. This is how the saree looks like. This is also the same type. This is also the same color. And the final color which is available in this is a pista green color. Pista green with a blue color combinations. All these are lightweight sarees. It's easy to wear, easy to maintain, everything. So these are the collections, and one more final collection which we have. We have two more varieties in this episode or the video. I will show you the next one. So this is another type. See, it's a beautiful fluorescent green type. You can see. This is how the saree looks like. The cost of the saree is 1150. This is the saree. This is the pallu with the tassels. And all these sarees in this particular design, it has got a contrast red color blouse. This is the blouse. The blouse of this material is very soft, little bit silkish, and very nice to wear. So the blouse looks like this, and when you wear the saree, it will be like this. This is how the saree looks like with a beautiful pallu. The cost of the saree is 1150. The colors available in this are totally 5 colors including this color, and I will show you the colors also. The colors are, this is one peach color which is available. This has also got a red color contrast blouse. The next color which is available is a light green. It's a distemper green color. It's a beautiful distemper green color available. The next color which is available is a yellow color. Beautiful yellow color with a red color blouse. See the saree. It's beautiful, pretty designs on it. Very beautiful color. And the final color which is available in this is a sandal color. This is how the saree looks like. You can see. It's a beautiful sandal color. The cost of the saree is 1150. And the final design which I am going to show you is a pretty, we have only two color combinations and two designs available in this. So I will show you the saree, how it looks like. See, this is how the saree is. This is a light pink color with jute material or jute border finish, and this is a very subtle color and a very rich color also. It has got a floral print all over the body, and the pallu for this saree is like this. See the pallu, it's a beautiful pallu, and the blouse for the same is a contrast grey color blouse or a bluish, greyish blue color blouse. Beautiful saree. This is how the saree looks like. See here. This is how the saree looks. And we have two colors in this. The other color which is available is, because this is a pink and a grey color combination, and the reverse combination of the same type is a grey with a pink color combination. See, this is how the saree looks like. It's a grey with like little bit of pinkish, or you can say little bit of a peach color combination. This is how the saree looks like, and the cost of the saree is 1200 rupees. And this saree, if you see, it is not transparent. You can see this is not transparent. It's lightweight and very easy to maintain, and this particular saree gives a little bit of cottonish look also. But it's a very, very, very pretty saree. If you wear, you can know the difference, and this is a very nice saree. So these are the collections which we have shown you today, and we have more type of synthetic and cotton varieties to show, which will be showing it in the next episode. Thanks for watching the video. Now we are signing off from Ambara Sarees. Thank you.